This dictation is for the aspirants who are preparing for Delhi High Court PA exam without any stop. Get ready for the dictation. The genesis of this suo motu writ petition is in an order dated 22 April 2021. This court took note of the unprecedented humanitarian crisis in the country following the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Notices were issued to the Union of India, the governments of the states and union territories, and to several petitioners who were before the high courts. The court observed the union government, the state governments, union territories, and the parties who appeared to have approached the high courts to show cause why uniform orders be not passed by this court in relation to supply of oxygen, supply of essential drugs, method and manner of vaccination, and declaration of lockdown. The court directed the central government to report on the existence or otherwise and requirement of setting up of a coordinating body that would consider allocation of the above resources in a consultative manner with the involvement of concerned states and union territories. Consider declaration of essential medicines and medical equipment, including the above articles, as essential commodities in relation to COVID in respect of coordination of logistical support for interstate and intrastate transportation and distribution of the above resources. The court also had appointed an amicus curiae to assist it. However, the amicus curiae was on his request relieved of his position on 23 April 2021. Hearings in the matter were then conducted on 27 April 2021, where the court appointed two new amicus, Mr. Jadip and Ms. Minakshi, learned senior counsel. They will be assisted by Mr. Chatterjee and Mr. Mohit, learned counsel and advocates on record. The court began the hearing by noting that the jurisdiction it assumed under Article 32 did not automatically lead to the erosion of a High Court's jurisdiction under Article 226. Rather, the court stressed on the importance of the jurisdiction under Article 226 and how high courts may be better equipped to deal with issues within their own states. However, this court assumed jurisdiction over issues in relation to COVID-19 which traverse beyond state boundaries and affect the nation in its entirety. The court noted that it was in receipt of an affidavit dated 23 April 2021 filed by the Union of India. However, the court directed the Union of India to file an additional affidavit and the respective governments of the states union territories to file fresh affidavits on four issues. The relevant extract of the order reads thus: supply of oxygen. The court should be apprised by the Union of India on the projected demand for oxygen in the country at the present point of time and in the foreseeable future on the steps taken and proposed to augment the availability of oxygen, meeting both the current and projected requirements on the monitoring mechanism for ensuring the supply of oxygen, particularly to critically affected states and union territories, as well as